Finally, we have a rolling chassis. All right, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's been 5 or 6 months. I've been working on this thing slowly. My fiance and I, we bought the house I grew up in, so we've been slowly remodeling that. Most of the fabrication's done. We just have to weld everything up. It's gonna take some time to build as much power as I wanna build because I want some power, baby. You know what I'm saying? I want 500-600 horse so this thing will scoot. But I just wanted to give you a little update to where we're at. We got a bunch of house renovation stuff coming. I've been filming everything, so there'll be an update on that soon. So I just wanna let everyone know where this is at. It's starting to look like something and I'm digging it. I'll cut to the time lapse of everything we've done so far and I hope you enjoy. We are so close to a rolling chassis, and then I'm gonna have to save for 6 years to buy a motor, but we're getting there. All right, so the next step, we are going to cut our fenders down, our rear fenders down. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. We're so close to a rolling chassis.